Stasher honest review and user experience. Best luggage storage service. Traveling light is great, but what do you do with your luggage between flights or check-ins? Stasher offers luggage storage at convenient locations worldwide. I tested it, and here's my honest experience. Most people assume luggage storage is expensive or unreliable, but the surprising truth is Stasher provides secure, insured storage in hundreds of cities at affordable rates. Locations include hotels, shops, and transport hubs, making drop-off and pick-up super convenient. Booking is easy. I entered my location, selected a nearby stash point, and reserved a spot online. Prices are clear upfront, and Stasher includes insurance up to a certain value, giving peace of mind. Staff at the locations were professional, and I could leave my luggage for a few hours or multiple days. The downside? Availability can vary in peak travel seasons, and some locations may have limited operating hours. Always double-check before heading there. In conclusion, Stasher is a reliable, convenient, and affordable way to store luggage while traveling. For short-term storage or city layovers, it's an excellent option to free yourself from carrying bags around. If you want flexibility and security, Stasher is worth trying.